Hello, I'm Lucas. I'm your loft checker. Today we're visiting a studio with amazing bathtub and located very close to Taipei 101. And let's go check it out. Alright, so this is the gate, the front door. When you walk in, there's hangers to hang your coat and a bench for you to change your put on your shoes, and the brick wall. And behind us is the bathroom. So this studio is a double bed studio with couch and your private bathroom and bathtub. So let's see. So the living area is right here, and there's a couch. Over here is the TV with Netflix. Right here is the dining table with 2 to 3 persons, and a mirror over here. There is two AC on top. Here is a double bed, queen size double bed. And AC, and here's the window. Right here is the open wardrobe. Here is some shelf for you to put your plates, your personal stuff. And here is the fridge, the freezer, and the fridge. Here's a kettle. Clock. And so it is an industrial style studio. Let's go check out the bathroom. So it's a separated Western style bathroom. So right here is the toilet, and right here is the shower room. It is very luxurious. So here is the amazing bathtub. Like you can take good shower here, and a window. A small laundry machine. Right here is the sink. Big mirror. Those kind of Japanese style bathtub, shower experience. And yeah, that's it for this space.